On May 26th, the MUHC Foundation will hold its spectacular fundraising gala, Le Bal Rouge. The theme of this year's glamorous event is Roaring into the 20s with an incredible spin on The Great Gatsby. And it is an historic event this year because for the first time, we have 4 women co-chairing this event to honor Dr. Kevin Schwartzman and the life-saving work of the Montreal Chest Institute. Lisa Giannone is one of the co-chairs, and she's also president and chief operating officer of BFL Canada. Thank you for being with us, Lisa.
Thank you.
Now, tell me about what inspired you to co-chair this year's Bal Rouge.
Well, I think the most important, the importance of research in the medical field and the importance of the MUHC and all the great work that the foundation has done to date.
Now tell me, 4 women, 4 incredible women for the first time ever since this event began, are co-chairing this important fundraiser. What does it mean to be in a group of 4 women, incredible women, leaders, executives, visionaries, all co-chairing this event?
Well, exactly that. 4 incredible women, I'm including myself, but 3 incredible women that obviously gives me the opportunity to get to know them. And just meeting them a couple of times now, I'm inspired by all of their hard work, everything that they've achieved, and, giving back to such an important cause.
Now, I know that you have a personal story. We're raising money this year for the Montreal Chest Institute, and I know that you have a bit of a personal story with regards to the MCI. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, I do, and it is the main reason why this cause touches my heart dearly. My son, at 20 months old, actually had RSV, and we were rushed to the hospital in the crash room. We weren't sure if he was going to make it, and it's really the staff and all the hard work of the doctors and the nurses that made it so that today he is a healthy 17-year-old boy. It was the worst time of our lives, and it was, if it wasn't for that support, I'm not sure I know where we'd be today.
Oh my goodness, what a horrifying moment. We're speaking with Lisa Giannone. She's one of the co-chairs of this year's MUHC Foundation's Le Bal Rouge. Now, this event raises considerable funds. Why is giving back philanthropy important to you, and was it always important?
It's always been important to me, and it's very important at BFL Canada. Our CEO, founder, Barry F. Lorenzetti, has his own foundation for mental health. It is part of our culture here at BFL Canada. And for me, I feel that I've done fairly well, and it is a way for me to give back to the community, and all charitable causes really do touch my heart, but this one in particular is critical, because health is everything, as the saying goes.
Now, I know that this gala tends to raise a lot of money from big donors, but the small donations. One of the people that I interviewed once said it so well. He said, if doctors or scientists or researchers or patients get 5 big donations, it means one thing, but if they get 1,000 small donations, it means so much more, because it means that the community is behind them. And I've always remembered that, and I've always loved it. What do you say about sort of the small donations that can have a huge impact?
I totally agree with that. I mean, it's so important. Every donation is important, no matter the size. And I agree. I mean, if the donations are small, they all add up, and they're all going to a great cause. So absolutely, that has a huge impact. And anybody that can donate, I encourage them. It doesn't matter what the amount is. What's important is the actual gesture, and obviously, making a contribution.
Now, this year's Bal Rouge has a really exciting theme. I'm really excited about this. It's called Roaring into the 20s. We've got a spin on The Great Gatsby. If people want to learn more or see sort of the excitement and the style of the event, they can go to lebalrouge.com, lebalrouge.com. What are you most excited about, Lisa, in terms of the night itself?
Well, I've only attended the event once, and that was last year. It was a fantastic evening. It is just filled with great people. The energy and the ability to network and meet other great people that are dedicated to the cause, and there for the same reason. It was great, and the actual Gatsby being, our 1920s theme, is actually going to be very exciting, and bringing the old into modern times, I think will be a lot of fun.
Now, after 3 years, almost 3 years, or is it 3 years now? I think it's 3 years now already. Wow, of COVID. So many of these in-person events where we could get together and celebrate and raise money and be amongst our peers and our colleagues and our friends and family, they didn't happen. And now they're coming back. Are you excited for that sort of getting together in person moments that are bringing themselves back into our worlds?
Absolutely. I can't say enough about getting together with people. I mean, everything we do is about people, and the social aspect of it is key. Mental health, obviously, issues have come out of this COVID more than ever. Isolation is not good for anybody, and again, I'm very excited about this evening, about being with a great group of people in that room and sharing the moment.
And it is going to be one very exciting night. Lisa Giannone is one of the 4 co-chairs of the MUHC Foundation's Bal Rouge. She's also president and chief operating officer of BFL Canada. If you'd like to learn more about the event, sort of see some of the excitement that's going to be happening, just go to lebalrouge.com. Thank you, Lisa, so much for accepting this really wonderful place within the MUHC Foundation's gala to be chairing it with 3 other women. We thank you for your time, both today and on the night of the event. Thank you so much.
Thank you.